To start with?
Long time no see. My name is Dutch. Do you remember me?
Oh, I hope they remember you. So guys, another video with him, and I hope you will enjoy watching this. Daichi will show us what's inside his... What's this?
This is my pencil case.
Your
Yeah,
pencil
okay.
case.
Do you want to know what's inside my pencil case?
Okay. Alright, come on.
First, I got this pencil in Japan temple.
Ooh. That's all for his pencil case. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. See you next time.
See you next time
Maybe
with
to-
him. Don't
may-
forget him, okay?
Dutch.
Daichi. Okay, bye.
See you.
Be in class!
So what are we going to do today?
Today is introduce my pencil case. Pencil bag. Do you always bring your pencil case? Yes, of course. I'm student. My pencil case is here. This is my pencil case.
Yes, and what inside in your pencil bag?
Pencil bag. And my 3 pens, sharp pen, and 2 ball pens, and 1 eraser.
Oh,
Thank you.
yeah. Okay, come on now. Let's.
What inside your pencil case?
I think about EOP. I
Ah.
always bring 5 pesos.
Emergency purposes. Okay.
Lipstick, lemon lipstick.
The most important one is this 2 pen, and this one most important in Friday or today because we need to punish the loser. Okay.
For today's content, Akane or Star will show what's inside her
Pencil case.
pencil case. So her pencil case is in the shape of
Yes, I love banana.
banana.
Pencil case. Pen,
Okay.
sharp pencil,
Mhm.
highlight pencil,
Okay.
and eraser.
Oh yeah.
Where it is usual for my studies.
Okay, very good. So that's it for Akane's pencil case, which is in banana shape.
Yes.
I hope you enjoyed watching. Bye.
Bye.